just got Rat, and today I will be playing MM2 with my sidekick, Debbie. Now let's get to the game. See why there's gonna be cussing. Say hi, Debbie. Dinosaurs! Now let me skip to the part where like I actually die or something. Juicy tea. Wait, just heard somebody die. Now we're ready. Are you the killer? Oh my god, I found the girl that has the knife. Oh, I have the gun. Oh, I missed the gun. Oh, shit. Okay, I know who has the gun. It's this one. How did I just die? Oh, yeah. Oh, my god. My god. Oh, look how tiny she is. Let's get to the next game. She's a runner. She attacks them. She's a runner. What the hell? Oh my god. Let's get to the next game. Another round getting innocent. Wow. I'm going into the hot tub because now I'm seismic. If I fit, I'm so fat. Wait, bro, there's a rubber ducky in the pool now. Look. I get murdered by nobody's because he killed me. I'm so tiny. I'm going to the drama. I wanted to get on top of the boat. Oh, why can't we even go in there? What just happened? To the car. I'm not happy with this. Well, I guess, no, literally only one person got killed. Okay. Next game! Innocent. It's a cat. Yo, right now, this girl is missing every single knife throw she throws at me like, damn! I didn't get it on recording, but... I know that one back there. Then she said she was sidekick, Gabby! Where's my Gabby? Where's my Gabby? I am not murderer, I swear! Wink, wink. Oh, I know who it is. Who? It's the Karen. Oh, well then why didn't she kill me already? Oh, not her. That was weird as hell. Okay, let's get back to the good part. Take one to the team. Oh, penis. Damn. Oh my god. Why is this? I am recording this. This is kind of blowing that rat. What do you mean you rubber duck? What? Yo, the game just got freaky. Something. Okay, they know who I am now. I look you suck. I'm sheriff. Wink, wink. You have a gun. I do. No, you don't. No, you don't, girl. No, you don't, girl. Be nonchalant. Bastard, you bastard. This is gonna be a very long game. Because only one person knows who I am. One. Okay, one. One. I low-key just wanna know. Kill the alien for me. Please. What alien? The alien outside. Left is outside. You go forward left. Behind you. You're wasting my